If your hair mask isn't working, you're probably using the wrong one. Hi, I'm Luz, and today I'm breaking down each Agua de Cielo hair mask, who they are for, how to pick the right one, and exactly how to use them correctly for the best results. This is protein therapy.
It fortifies from within for less breakage and a totally softened finish.
This one is the nourishing mask.
It offers maximum shine, engineered to strengthen and deeply nourish.
This is Hydro Glow.
It gives you instant frizz control to repair damage and deeply hydrate. First, shampoo your hair twice to make sure it's fully clean. I'm using Hydro Glow today, but these same steps work for every mask. Separate your hair into sections and apply a generous amount from mid-length to ends, avoiding your scalp. Use a wide tooth comb to distribute the product evenly. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Style your hair like normal and that's it. And this is the final result. So much smoother, shinier, and way less frizzy.
So remember, Hydro Glow for dry hair, nourishing for dull hair, and protein therapy for weak hair. If you already have one of these, now you know exactly how to use it. And if you don't, grab the one that matches your hair needs and let us know how it works for you. Thank you for watching.